Hello students, welcome to Algebraic Expressions and Identities Part 2. In this part, I am going to discuss multiplication of algebraic expressions. Dear students, while multiplying, we need to take care of some points about the multiplication of like and unlike terms. So here, first of all, multiplication of like terms. Whenever we multiply like terms, their coefficients will get multiplied, and secondly, the power will not get multiplied, but the resultant variable will be the addition of individual powers. For example, the product of 4x and 3x will be 12x square, as the product of 4 into 3 is 12 and x into x is equals to x square. Second, the product of 5x, 3x and 4x will be 60x cube, as 5 into 3 into 4 is equals to 60 and x into x is equals to x cube. Now, multiplication of unlike terms. Whenever we multiply unlike terms, their coefficients will get multiplied. The power will remain the same if the variable is different. If some of the variables are the same, then their powers will be added. Now, example, the product of 2p and 3q will be 6pq, as 2 into 3 is equals to 6 and the variables p into q is equals to pq. Secondly, the product of 2x, 3y and 4z will be 24xyz, as 2 into 3 into 4 is equals to 24 and the variables x into y into z is equals to xyz. So, answer is 24xyz. Now, multiplying a monomial by a monomial. So, students, monomial, it is an expression having one term. So, whenever we multiply two monomials, here the coefficient of first monomial into coefficient of second monomial is equals to the coefficient of product. If you see the example, here it is the multiplication of two monomials. First one is 25y, second is 3xy. And here the coefficient of first monomial is 25, coefficient of second monomial is 3. So, the product of 25 and 3 is 75. Now, coming to algebraic factor, the algebraic factor of the first monomial into algebraic factor of the second monomial is equals to the algebraic factor of product. Like in this example, algebraic factor of first monomial, that is y, and algebraic factor of second monomial xy. And here y into xy is equals to xy square. So, here answer is 75xy square. Now, multiplying 3 or more monomials. So, students, while multiplying 3 or more monomial, the criteria will remain the same. For example, here we have 4xy into 5x square y square into 6x cube y cube. So, here we have 3 monomials. So, first of all, we will multiply 2 and then we will multiply this product with the third one. So, first of all, 4xy into 5x square y square. So, here the product of their coefficients, that is 4 into 5 is 20 and xy into x square y square is x cube y cube. Now, we need to multiply this product with the third monomial, that is 6x cube y cube. So, here again the product of the coefficients, that is 20 into 6 is 120 and then x cube y cube into x cube y cube, which is equals to x raised to power 6 y raised to power 6. So, answer is 120 x raised to power 6 y raised to power 6. We can do it in other way also, as These are the three monomials, that is 4xy into 5x square y square into 6x cube y cube. So here we can take all three coefficients together, that is 4 into 5 into 6, and then the variable factors, that is x into x square into x cube, and then y into y square into y cube. So here the product of 4, 5 and 6 is 120, and then x raised to power 6, y raised to power 6. Okay, next is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So first of all, multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. So students, as you know, an expression having one term is a monomial and an expression having two terms is a binomial. So to multiply a monomial with a binomial, we have to multiply the monomial with each term of the binomial. For example, multiplication of 8 and x plus y. Here 8 is a monomial as it is a single term, and x plus y is a binomial as it has two terms. So here product of these two, 8 into x is equals to 8x and 8 into y is equals to 8y. So the product of this monomial and binomial is 8x plus 8y. Second, multiplication of 3x and 4y plus 7. This is equals to 3x into 4y is 12xy plus 3x into 7 is 21x. Third, multiplication of 7x cube and 2x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4. Here this is equals to 7x cube into 2x raised to power 4 plus 7x cube into y raised to power 4. So here this is equals to 14x raised to power 7 plus 7x cube y raised to power 4. Now multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. This is also the same as previous, as here we need to multiply monomial with each term of the trinomial. So for example, multiplication of 8 and x plus y plus z. Here we need to multiply this 8 with each term which are in the bracket. So 8 into x is 8x plus 8 into y is 8y plus 8 into z is 8z. Second, multiplication of 4x and 2x plus y plus z. Here again we need to multiply this 4x with each term which are in the bracket. So 4x into 2x will be 8x square. 4x into y, it is 4xy plus 4x into z is 4xz. So here answer is 8x square plus 4xy plus 4xz. Third, multiplication of 7x raised to power 3 and 2x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4 plus 2. Here again we will multiply the 7x cube with each term which are in the bracket. So 7x cube into 2x raised to power 4. It will be 14x raised to power 7 plus 7x cube into y raised to power 4. It is 7x cube y raised to power 4 plus 7x cube into 2 is 14x raised to power 3. Now multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. So first case is the multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. So binomial, it is an expression having two terms. So as you can see in the example, we have two binomials. So here we need to multiply each term of a binomial with every term of another binomial. So after multiplying the polynomials, we have to look for the like terms and combine them. So in the solution, as you can see, it is the multiplication of binomials. So first of all we need to take the first term of first binomial, that is the first binomial is 3a plus 4b and its first term is 3a into second binomial, that is 2a plus 3b, then plus 4b, this is the second term of first binomial, into second binomial, that is 2a plus 3b. So next is 3a into 2a plus 3a into 3b plus 4b into 2a plus 4b into 3b. So now the products are 6a square plus 9ab plus 8ba, or we can write ab also, plus 12b square. Then this is equals to 6a square plus, as you can see, 9ab plus 8ba, both are like terms as their variable factors are same. So the sum is 17ab plus 12b square. Now we have three terms having different variable factors, so we can't combine them. So here this is your answer. Next is multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. So in this also we have to multiply each term of the binomial with every term of trinomial. As you can see in the example, a plus 7, it is a binomial as it has two terms. Second expression, that is a square plus 3a plus 5, it is a trinomial as it has three terms. Now we need to multiply each term of the binomial with every term of the trinomial. So first of all, a into trinomial, that is a square plus 3a plus 5 plus 7 into again the trinomial a square plus 3a plus 5. So here a into a square is a cube, a into 3a is 3a square, a into 5 is 5a plus 7 into a square is 7a square plus 7 into 3a is 21a plus 7 into 5 is 35. Next, a cube plus 3a square and 7a square. These are like terms having same variable factors, so we need to combine them, and then 5a plus 21a. These are also like terms as their variable factors are same. So again we need to combine them also, plus 35. Then it is equals to a cube plus 10a square plus 26a plus 35. This is the answer of this example. Okay students, that's all about multiplication of algebraic expressions. Thank you students. See you soon with the next part of algebraic expression, where I'll be discussing identities, standard identities I can say. So thank you children. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.